Hey guys, Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to go over a rugged tempered glass screen protector here from the folks at AACL. This is for the Samsung S26 Ultra, and this is an awesome 3-pack of really lightweight yet durable, scratch resistant, anti-fingerprint tempered glass screen protectors. The installation is quick and easy, it's straightforward to be able to do, and you have 2 additional screens to have for long-term protection. With that said, before we jump into it here, the folks at AACL did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you get yourself into. Unboxing is very straightforward. You just peel those little tabs off. It's got all of the materials here to be able to set it up. It even has a little squeegee here as well as a microfiber cloth for you to be able to do that as well. Here's your 2 sheets, and they've already got one installed, which is nice. Let's go ahead and prep. For prep, we're gonna wanna take the phone out of the case. They got an antimicrobial cloth. This is gonna pick up any fingerprints or dust, and you hit it with the microfiber cloth. And then if you have any pesky dust or anything, you can use a sticker. You've got this foam pad here to place the phone on to give you a nice level surface. And then you're gonna go ahead and place it on top of the phone just like that, with the top of the phone facing this direction and the bottom as well. You're gonna go ahead and pull the tab out first, giving it some consistent pressure. Then you're gonna slide back and forth, giving it some time here to be able to sit and adhere. Once you do so, you can go ahead and take the applicator off, and now you've got a very consistent, high quality application here. You can see there's a little notch there for the front facing camera, and if needed you can use the squeegee here, but I didn't have any bubbles at all on the application. Coming up close, you can see the application process is very impressive. You can see how centered it is on left to right. You can see the front facing camera is centered as well. It has that oleophobic coating, so it's going to be anti-water and anti-dust, anti-scratch as well, and it's very, very precise there, as you can see. Putting the case back on the phone, you can see that it's not going to bump up against any of your cases. It's so precise there and repeatable, which is something that's my favorite. With that said, I'm really pleased that you've got 2 extra screens here for future proof. You can see how rugged this is. It's anti-fingerprint. Oleophobic coating is nice. It's very precise there as well, and I think it looks sleek on this phone case, giving that full coverage and scratch resistance. With that said, the folks at AACL did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks so much for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.